Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation, revolutionizing the way we communicate, consume information, and interact with technology. From the iconic Macintosh to the ubiquitous iPhone, Apple's products have seamlessly integrated into our lives, enhancing our everyday experiences. Now, Apple sets its sights on transforming yet another aspect: event planning. With the launch of its latest brainchild, Apple Invites, the tech giant aims to streamline and elevate the way we plan and experience events. Gone are the days of juggling multiple apps, struggling with clunky interfaces, and enduring the chaos of disorganized communication. Apple Invites promises a seamless and intuitive experience, empowering users to create, manage, and share events with unparalleled ease. By integrating seamlessly with Apple's ecosystem of services, the app aims to become the ultimate event planning companion. At its core, Apple Invites is designed to simplify the often daunting task of event planning. The app provides a centralized hub for all event-related information, allowing users to create stunning invitations, manage guest lists, track RSVPs, and share important details, all in one convenient location. With its intuitive interface and user-friendly features, Apple Invites ensures that even the most technologically challenged individuals can plan events with confidence and finesse. One of the standout features of Apple Invites is its robust customization options. Users can personalize their invitations with a vast library of templates, fonts, colors, and images. Whether it's a casual gathering or a formal soiree, Apple Invites offers a plethora of design choices to suit every taste and occasion. The app also allows users to incorporate their own photos and videos, adding a personal touch to their invitations. Apple Invites truly shines in its seamless integration with other Apple services, creating a cohesive and effortless event planning experience. With built-in support for Maps, weather, shared albums, and Apple Music, the app ensures that all essential information is readily available at your fingertips. Planning an outdoor wedding? Apple Invites will provide up-to-the-minute weather forecasts, ensuring that your special day is not marred by unexpected showers. Need to share directions to your event? Apple Invites integrates seamlessly with Apple Maps, allowing guests to navigate directly to the venue with ease. The app also leverages the power of shared albums, enabling attendees to contribute their photos and videos, creating a collaborative and memorable album that captures the essence of the event. And what's a party without music? Apple Invites allows you to create and share custom playlists through Apple Music, setting the perfect ambiance for your gathering. Section 4. Unleashing Creativity Image Playground and Writing Tools. Apple Invites goes beyond basic event planning functionalities with its innovative image playground and writing tools, empowering users to unleash their creativity and craft truly personalized invitations. Powered by Apple Intelligence, Image Playground allows users to generate original images using a combination of concepts, descriptions, and photos from their own library. Imagine creating a whimsical invitation for a child's birthday party, adorned with imaginative creatures, or a sophisticated invitation for a gala dinner featuring elegant calligraphy. The app's writing tools provide a suite of features to elevate the text of your invitations. From grammar and spell check to style suggestions and formatting options, Apple Invites ensures that your invitations are not only visually appealing, but also impeccably written. The app even offers a selection of pre-written templates for different types of events, providing a helpful starting point for those who need a little inspiration. Section 5. Accessibility and requirements. To ensure that everyone can experience the convenience of Apple Invites, Apple has made RSVPing to invitations open to all, regardless of whether they have an Apple device or an Apple account. Anyone can respond to an invitation using a simple web interface, making it easy for guests to confirm their attendance without any hassle. However, creating invitations does require an iCloud Plus subscription, as the app relies on iCloud's cloud storage and collaboration features to function seamlessly. Apple Invites is compatible with iPhone models running iOS 18 or later, and can be accessed on the web. The app's availability across multiple platforms ensures that users can manage their events and connect with their guests from anywhere, at any time. Whether you're using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, Apple Invites provides a consistent and intuitive experience across all your devices. Section 6. Transforming the landscape of event planning. With its intuitive interface, robust features, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem of services, Apple Invites has the potential to revolutionize the way we plan and experience events. By streamlining the planning process, fostering collaboration, and empowering users to express their creativity, Apple Invites promises to make event planning more enjoyable, efficient, and accessible than ever before. As the app continues to evolve, it will be exciting to witness the innovative ways in which users leverage its capabilities to create truly memorable and personalized events.